You guys know that Kimberbell always has new machine embroidery projects coming, and events are exciting ways to get exclusive designs and to make projects all in one weekend, having fun with other friends that embroider just like you. We have Gingerbread Christmas coming in October, where you're going to learn a few new projects to decorate your home for Christmas. Coming in the new year, there's several new Kimberbell events, and I'm so excited about January. It's back to the 80s with Stitch and Rewind, so watch for details coming soon. Also, if you feel you've missed out on some of the DDE projects, digital dealer exclusives, well, fear not. You have the opportunity to still get all of last year's designs as well as any of this year's designs right now, and future designs coming in January are going to be done as a mystery. So watch for details for 2025 DDE coming a month at a time in mystery.